Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about sum of n terms of some special series, and here we will be taking three kinds of series, and these are when I want to calculate sum of my n natural numbers, then in compact form or in summation form this can be written as, for this I can frame a general term as k, and k can take the value from 1 to n. So here you know this is in AP, so I can direct apply the formula for sum of AP series. Why this is AP? Because the common difference is same here. 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, and so on. So the formula for this is n into n plus 1 by 2. So whenever you are getting this kind of series, that means sum of n natural numbers, then you will be directly using this formula, which is n plus 1 by 2, and it has come by the formula of AP, n by 2 a plus l. What is your n over here? You are taking n terms, so this is just n by 2. What is your a here? It is 1, plus what is your l here? That means the last term, it is n. So this gives me n plus 1, so this is n plus 1 by 2. This is how we got this formula. Second is when you are taking square of sum of square of n natural numbers. When you are taking sum of square of n natural numbers, then this can be written as summation of k square, where k can take the value from 1 to n. And the formula for this is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. And thirdly we have when we are taking sum of cube of n natural numbers. So this is sum of cube of natural numbers, and this can be written as summation of k cube, where k can take the values from 1 to n, and the formula for this is n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Now children, I have shown you that how we have got this n plus 1 by 2. Let's prove this formula for sum of square of n natural numbers. So this is your sum of square of n natural numbers, and we want to prove equal to this. Now children, to prove this we will be considering an identity, as we will be consider the identity here, and we will be taking it as, since here it is a square, so I will be taking a successive term, cube of successive term, and minus cube of preceding term. Children, whenever we are proving it for sum of square of natural number, then we will take cube here. That means the power I am taking is one more than we are having here. And for if we are proving it for sum of cube of n natural numbers, then we will take the power as 4. So we will take the power 1 greater than the sum which we are finding out. Now let's open it by a plus b whole cube formula. So this will be a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this is the expansion of this, and this is minus k cube. So what I am getting here, it is 3k square plus 3k plus 1, and here this is k plus 1 whole cube minus k cube. Now children, why I am doing so? Because you see this is not in AP and not in GP. So I cannot apply any of the formula of GP or AP. So I will be trying to calculate it by forming it into a sequence which follows a certain pattern. So here after expansion I have got this term. This is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. I will be putting k equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up till n on both these sides, and I'll add then left hand side and right hand side. So let's see, when I put k equal to 1, then what will I get here? This will be 1 plus 1, 2 cube. This is 2 cube minus 1 cube. I'll not be solving it, I'll be writing it like this only. Equal to 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 1. For k equal to 2, I will be getting it as 2 plus 1 is 3, so I will be getting it as 3 cube. This is plus over here, sorry, minus, this is 2 cube equal to again 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 1. If I put k equal to 3, then I will be getting it as 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 cube minus 3 cube equals, I will be taking it as 3 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 plus 1 up till k equal to n. So when I take k equal to n, it will be your n plus 1 whole cube minus n cube will be equal to 3 into n square plus this will be 3 into n plus 1. Now I'll add my left hand side and right hand side, adding, so I'll be getting it as 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus and so on up till n plus 1 cube. This is one side, minus I am taking common, and then I will be getting it as 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on till n cube. This side I will get it as 3, I am taking common out of it, so I will be getting it as 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on till n square plus 3 again I am taking out, so I will be getting it as 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on till n term, and plus here I will be getting 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times, so I will be getting it as n. Now children, you see I want to calculate the value of this thing, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square. Rest I need to eliminate, or for rest I will be finding out the value. You know this is again your AP, and you can calculate the value of and sum of n natural numbers by writing it as n plus 1 by 2. So I will be replacing this thing with this 3 into n plus 1 by 2 plus n, this will come as it is. I want to calculate the value of this, so I will be putting it here and rest of the things will be taken to this side. Now you see, if you are going to open this 2 cube will cancel with this 2 cube, 3 cube will cancel with this 3 cube, and before n plus 1 here it will be n cube, so it will also be cancelled from here. Lastly you will get here as, you will be getting n plus 1 whole cube minus 1 cube which is 1 equals, not equals, I am taking this to this side, so this will be 3n plus 1 by 2, and this is minus n equals 3, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on till n square, which is sum of square of n natural numbers. Now here I will be solving it further, so it will be n cube a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now minus, I can take the LCM too directly, or let's do these steps one by one only. Minus 1 minus 3n n plus 1 whole by 2 minus n equals 3, and this is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up till plus n square. Now children, let's take the LCM over here, so I will be getting it as 2n cube plus 2 plus 6n square plus 6n minus 1. This is minus over here, so I am multiplying, this is minus 2 minus over here, so it will change the sign, so minus 3n square minus 3n minus 2n whole upon 2, and this 3 also I can take down, so this is just equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on till n square. Now children, you need to just calculate it. So this is the calculation I have done. Plus 2 gone with minus 2. This is 2n cube, so I have written here 6n square and minus 3n square is plus 3n square. This is minus 5n and plus 6n will be plus n. I have taken n common, so I have got a quadratic equation. Here you need to factorize it and you will get it as n plus 1, 2n plus 1. I have rearranged it. N plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 will be equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus up till n square. So this is the formula for your summation of square of n natural numbers. Have a look. Let's see the proof of this. That means the sum of cube of n natural number gives you n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So in the previous proof I told you that for it you have to consider the identity k plus 1. This is cube over here, so I will be taking it as 4 minus k4. Successive term minus preceding term. Now when you will open it, you will get it as, now you have to just put k equal to 1, k equal to 2 on both these sides up till k equal to n. So on putting these values, I will be getting my left hand side and right hand side, and then I will be adding both the sides. So this is the thing which I will be getting after addition of left hand side to left hand side and right hand side to right hand side. Now you see, I need to calculate the value of this. That means I need to change all the given things into now some end form. Now you have read in the previous proof that this is sum of square of n natural numbers. So this can be replaced with n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. So 6 and 6 gone here. Plus this can be replaced as n plus 1 by 2, because this is sum of n natural numbers. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and here n. 1 times n gives you n. So this is the thing I am left with. Let's see. This will be as it is over here. This will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus and so on till n cube. Now you look here, children, when I will be opening it, this 2 raised to power 4 will cancel with this 2 raised to power 4, and next will cancel, and here before this it will be cancel. It will be n raised to power 4 which will cancel with this. So I will be left here with n plus 1 raised to power 4 minus 1 raised to power 4 which is 1. This equals 4, 1 cube plus, or simply I can take those things this side 2. So here it will be minus n plus 1, 2n plus 1 minus 3 n plus 1 minus n equals 4. Also I am taking down, so let it be 4. So I am getting it as a cube plus 2 cube plus up till n cube. So this is the value which we need to find out. On solving this, you will be getting it as n plus 1 by 2 whole square, or simply you can write it like this also. If it is coming out to be 4 in the denominator, you can write it as n plus n into n plus 1 whole square and 4. Or you can simply write it as n plus 1, make it 2 and make it whole square. So this is the way we get the value of sum of cube of n natural numbers. Have a look.